on the stock. What's the big disappointment here?
Yeah, I think there was a couple different things. You pointed out one. I don't think anybody was thinking that we'd see another defense charge. The total charge was $2.8 billion. That's a big number. And the most surprising part was across multiple programs. There was the Air Force tanker program, the presidential jet, MQ-25, T-7A, commercial crew, and others. It was across the board. And I think the thing that was most alarming for investors is they're losing money in defense this year, and they said they're going to lose money again in defense next year, in a backdrop where most defense companies today are actually pretty darn profitable and generating a lot of cash. When we saw Lockheed report, that's what happened. Raytheon reported the same thing happened. And then on the commercial side of the business, they're only going to deliver 375 737s this year. The original target was 500, right? So they're off of that target by 125 airplanes. And then probably the third piece that got investors, that really caught them by surprise, was the company was going to generate free cash flow this year. That was the target they were going to do. They wanted to turn free cash flow positive. It looks like they are. But $1.5 billion of that from a tax refund, and that tax refund they didn't tell anybody about until today. So that came as a surprise. And as you know, investors don't like that, being surprised by things like that.
Well, it's a long list of disappointments you just outlined there. One thing I found interesting in your note, Ron, was an upside risk for Boeing is the involvement of an activist shareholder. And I just wonder how much of a candidate Boeing would be. This is not its first big disappointment. The stock is down more than 30% this year, even in such a strong time for airlines.
Yeah, so that's a great question. It's a question I get all the time from investors. I mean, it's hard for me to speculate on that, so I really can't. But it's a question that I get all the time because of the series of disappointments that the company has had.
Would you buy the stock? Because your target is, even at neutral, is still a lot higher than Boeing is right now.
Yeah, it's been it's been in a trading range. We've seen the stock trade from these levels up to about the $170 level. It's traded back and forth. So I mean, I wouldn't be surprised as we go into the latter part of the year if the stock rallies on just commercial aerospace. But it seems range bound, right? And I think that's until something gets sorted out, until there's some clarity with the investment community, what they're doing, the stock seems range bound. And to be clear, you're seeing probably some rotation today out of Boeing into Raytheon Technologies. And the feedback we're getting from investors is that's just a cleaner story. It's easier. Boeing's become very, very complicated because it seems like almost every quarter there's a surprise that nobody saw coming of pretty big magnitude. So if you want to play large cap and you want exposure to commercial aerospace, Raytheon Technologies just seems like a cleaner way to do it. But on Boeing, if you look at the chart over the last year, it's bounced around between, call it 120 to about 170, and it's just been kind of stuck in that range, and probably will be stuck in that range until they get things sorted out.
No, much better outperformer, Raytheon, that is, today and over the last year, where it's pretty much flat. Boeing's down 36%. Ron, thank you for joining me.